In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quiz on Google Sites. By the end, you'll have an interactive quiz embedded directly on your site, ready for students or visitors to complete without leaving the page. First, open Google Sites in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. On the landing page, look for the section labeled Recent Sites. This area lists the sites you've worked on most recently, which makes it quick to jump back into a project. Click Recent Sites, then select the site you want to edit. Give the editor a moment to load your page. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Microsoft Forms. Sign into the account that owns your quiz and open the specific form or quiz you want to add to your site. When the quiz is open, look for the Present option. This view is designed to share the live, respondent-facing version of your quiz. Click Present, then choose Copy Link. That places the shareable link on your clipboard so you can embed it in your site. Now switch back to your Google Sites tab. In the right-hand sidebar of the editor, click Insert to open the content options. Choose Embed. In the Embed window, use the By URL option and paste the link you copied from Microsoft Forms. You should see a preview of the quiz appear, confirming that the link is valid and can be embedded. If you don't see a preview, double-check that you copied the live link from Present and that your Forms sharing settings allow access for your intended audience. Once the preview looks good, click Insert. Google Sites will place the embedded quiz on your page. From here, you can drag the corners to resize it and drag the block to position it where it fits best in your layout. Make sure it's wide and tall enough so visitors can see the full quiz interface without scrolling too much inside the embed. A couple of quick tips. If your audience is outside your organization, ensure your Microsoft form is set to accept responses from anyone with the link. If the embed frame shows a sign-in prompt, that usually means the quiz is restricted to your organization's users. Also, keep your page layout simple around the embed so it loads quickly and remains easy to use on mobile. That's it. You opened your site, grabbed the live quiz link from Microsoft Forms, and embedded it using Insert and Embed in Google Sites. You now have a clean, interactive quiz right on your page.